Yeah, Marcus is in the bathroom singing. I don't know if you can hear him.
Hey.
What are we doing, Marcus?
I forget what it's called. What's it called?
We're just going to go through the drive-thru and do the same thing everybody else is doing. Order the food in front of us.
No,
Same.
not order the food in front of us. We're going to order the same thing as the people in front of us. We're going to tell them we want the exact same thing they ordered.
Marcus looked it up and was saying what we were going to do this evening, and he thought he was the coolest person ever. Like, he came up with it.
So,
Everyone's doing it, Marcus. Got to show off the truck.
oh
You're,
my gosh.
you're flexing, aren't you?
Yeah.
He's flexing his truck. Go ahead. What is your truck, Marcus?
It's an F-150.
What year?
18? Yeah, 18.
All right, so the person in front of us is a Ford 150.
From Walmart.
Wait. I'm trying to get it without showing the license plate. There we go. How many people's in the car? Roll down the window.
2.
See if we could get what they're ordering. Like, hear what they're ordering. Obviously, we're getting what
No,
they're
it's
ordering.
got to be a surprise.
What?
I want it to be a surprise.
She's so
like when they
lame.
hand me the food.
Oh my god. So it is, I think, a man and woman. There's a woman definitely driving.
I think it's 2 women. No, it's 2 women.
Hold on. How do I put this up here?
It's 2 women.
It's 2 women?
Hopefully they're not real hungry. Maybe they're getting something good.
Come on, ladies.
Oh God,
What are you
my
hoping
God.
for? What are you hoping for, Mark?
I don't know.
I haven't brushed my hair. It's still super wet. Ugh. It's just bad.
Hi, can I order?
Yeah, can I get the same thing as the vehicle in front of me, please?
So you need a hamburger Happy Meal?
Yeah, is that what they ordered?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's perfect.
And a 10-piece nugget, the filet of fish meal?
Yeah, whatever they had. Exactly what they had, please. They're probably going to add a bunch of stuff. Just take my money.
Oh my gosh. Maxton gets a Happy Meal. Hey, they must knew we had a kid in the back. And
Alright, 1627 first window.
Target.
Okay.
How much was it?
I don't even know. She was like, first window, please. I bet you appreciate you too. All right, let's see.
What was the price?
I don't know.
Hurry up before we lose storage.
$16.27. A fish fillet meal, 10-piece chicken McNugget with 2 barbecues, and a Happy Meal with apple slices. Sweet. Hello. How are you? 1, Sprite is nasty. For 2, who doesn't eat tartar sauce on a fish sandwich?
You have the Happy Meal, the filet, and the 10-piece?
Yes, sir.
There you are.
Appreciate you, buddy. You have a good one. Oh, you're
Marcus is unboxing.
Like,
his
what is the
lovely
point of this?
Fish sandwich. Look at the cheese.
Look,
What is that?
there's no tartar sauce. Like, who does this?
What is that? All right, so y'all are up pretty high, but
I already ate the chicken sandwich, just so everybody knows. I didn't eat
Chicken.
anything but the chicken in it. Or not chicken.
the
Fish.
fish fillet.
And it was terrible. There's
We
no
got
sauce.
a burger.
A burger?
Yeah, they did. They actually got barbecue sauce, but McDonald's didn't give it to us.
Why'd
so
you get a
that's not our
burger?
fault. That's what's on the thing.
With a kid's meal?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So we got a hamburger, a toy that we probably won't use. We got fries, but I mentally cannot eat dry fries. I don't know about anybody else. Can you?
They didn't even give us their daggone barbecue.
I know. It's supposed to be on it.
They probably gave them to the people in front of us.
And then chicken nuggets. So, yeah.
Well, I at least want a chicken nugget, since that fish fillet sucked.
Or a burger.
Oh, it's hot.
So is this like a mukbang? That's what we need to do. Oh my god, yes. Thank you, good Lord above. There's at least sauce. There's ketchup on here. Like, if this is a dry burger, I guess I ain't eating dinner. It is so good.
We got a really big Coke.
We got a large Coke. Just kidding.
Like a large Coke cut in half.
I guess this is for the kid.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, I forgot about the drinks.
You can have the bread.
No. Kid, us. What was it? Coke?
Coke.
And a medium, I guess. Sprite. I love it good. And Maxton's back there eating a chicken nugget.
Definitely not what I would have ordered. Like, actually the complete opposite, because the chicken nuggets.
Yee yee! Marcus said he needs to put this on the front of his car.
Yee.
I mean truck.
You know.
Alright, well that is it for this video, and we didn't do the whole day of us eating.